Hi, welcome back to Herbal Wellness Pharmacy. My name is Tamitha. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enough sunshine. I'm out here now, kind of soaking it up. Alright, so sunshine, very important. On the average, we need at least 30 minutes to 2 hours a day, depending on our skin tone. The darker you are, the longer you need to be out in the sun. Our bodies convert the sunshine, it's called D2, which is the inactive form. It's converted in our fat cells through our liver into the active form of D3, and it's actually converted into a hormone. The D3 is actually a hormone, and we can only actually get it through the sunshine. Now, there are some herbs that you can take, like the lichen. The lichen is it's like a usnea lichen. It grows on trees and stuff. I may have to show you some because it grows everywhere out here in the Pacific Northwest. It can help you with the uptake of vitamin D, but it does not actually contain a whole lot of vitamin D, and you still need to get out into the sunshine. The importance of vitamin D in your body is to help with your immune system and help you to build cortisol. If you're somebody who is always in a stressful situation, a stressful life, it can eat up your vitamin D because the cortisol that it needs is reacting to like a fight or flight situation, and it eats up your vitamin D. So it's very important to keep your D levels elevated. If you have autoimmune diseases, 90% of most people with autoimmune diseases are very low in vitamin D. If you have colds and flus, you want to increase your vitamin D, getting out into the sunshine. I know when I have like a cold or flu or something, even in the wintertime, if it's actually sunny, you go outside, you actually feel better. You store up vitamin D throughout the wintertime because your body knows that you don't get as much vitamin D during winter months because the clouds, the snow, and it's not as hot. What else do I want to say? People with D deficiencies, again, have autoimmune diseases, but they also can feel fatigue. They get sick easily. They have a hard time recovering from just a basic cold or flu. They are slow to heal. People who have type 2 diabetes, type 1 diabetes, well, type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease, but if you have type 2 diabetes, you can also have a lower tendency to have lower vitamin D. Those who have hypertension, things like that, it's all kind of related. So getting out into the sunshine is very important to help boost your immune system and to help with collagen production, to help with your focal, your eyes, and your mental clarity, things like that. So next time you get an opportunity and you want to expose as much skin as possible, so wearing shorts, and if you live in an area where you can be out in the nude, that would be awesome. So something I want to mention briefly, that if you're coming out of winter and you're heading into summer, and if you're really pasty, you want to be cautious because you can burn easy, but once you start getting a nice little tan going on, then you can start to increase the length of time out there. Our ancestors spent a lot of time outside. It's just within the last 100 years or so we've been spending more time indoors, and if you look at all the diseases and stuff that's kind of coming up in autoimmune diseases, that it's been happening within the last 30 to 40 years because we're spending more and more time indoors because we're too busy watching social media like you're doing right now. All right, you guys, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!